How to find Omnipod ID, where to locate Pod and PDM ID info. How to find your PDM ID serial number? Option 1. On the PDM device. Physical label. Look for the serial number printed on the back of your PDM device. B. On-screen display. Navigate through the PDM menus. Home Settings, System Setup, PDM Options, ID screen. Here, you can view or set a custom ID name for your PDM. Option 2. Using the Omnipod display app. 4 users open the app and tap on the Settings tab. Select PDM Settings, PDM and Pod Details to view the PDM serial number and other device information. Locating the Pod ID, lot number or sequence number. On the pod, examine the flat side of the pod opposite the cannula. The sequence number is printed there. B. During pod activation. When activating a new pod, the PDM may display the pod's lot number or sequence number on screen. Recovering a forgotten Omnipod ID account username. If you've forgotten your Omnipod ID used for logging into Omnipod services, visit the Omnipod account recovery page. Enter your registered email address. Follow the instructions sent to your email to retrieve your Omnipod ID.